In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Kickin chicken thighs with Basmati rice. For this recipe, you're going to need 8 bone-in chicken thighs that's been skinned, 1.5 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of uncooked basmati rice, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and another 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First step is to mince the garlic cloves. In a medium saucepan, melt the butter and saute the garlic for a minute on medium-high heat. Now you're going to add the rice and cook for about 1/2 minute while stirring constantly. Pour in the water and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, stirring until combined, and cover. Lower the temperature and simmer until all the liquid is absorbed, which is going to be about 12 minutes. In a bowl, combine all of the seasonings except for the parsley and black pepper. Place the chicken on a baking tray that's been lined with aluminum foil and sprinkle half of the seasoning mixture over the chicken. Place the chicken in an oven that has the boiler preheated to high and cook for 6 minutes. Then flip the chicken over, sprinkle the rest of the seasoning mixture over the chicken, and cook for an additional 6 minutes or until the chicken is completely done. Remove the rice from the heat and add the parsley and black pepper to it, stirring until it's combined, and then let the rice sit for about 5 minutes. Remove the chicken from the oven, placing on a plate, and you're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes too. You see those juices in the pan? Don't discard the juices, you're going to use it later. Drizzle the juices over the chicken and rice before serving. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.